BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. I posted a video a couple of days ago that Microsoft had started testing a new feature in the Edge browser to make installing PWAs, which stands for Progressive Web Apps, a lot easier. And this was in Edge Canary with a new sync option that lets you install your apps on all your devices. And I will leave a link to that video down below if you're interested. Now, it seems that Microsoft is further focusing more attention into PWAs, Progressive Web Apps in the Edge browser, and I did notice that overnight I received an update in my Edge Canary browser on my Windows 11 device that gives a couple of new options and features to Progressive Web Apps in the browser. Now, currently in the stable version of Microsoft Edge, to get your apps, you just head up to the menu. Here you will see apps, and in the flyout menu you can click on Manage Apps and your installed apps. And if I just go to Manage Apps, it takes me to my installed apps page where I can delete those apps and just manage those apps from that page. Now, if we just head over to a Microsoft Edge Canary, which is a pre-release version used for testing and experimenting. If I head up to the menu now in the top right, I go to Settings this time. Click on Appearance. Here you will see that now there is a new shortcut button for the toolbar called Apps button. And if we toggle that on, it pops the Apps shortcut button in the toolbar in the top right of the Edge Canary browser. And if I click on that, this is where it says Welcome to Apps. You can install sites as apps for access via your Start, the taskbar, and your desktop to help you focus on things that are important to you. So basically your PWAs are very similar to the native apps on your operating system, and I have posted numerous videos regarding PWAs on this channel if you'd like to go do a search for those. Now, as an example, just to try out this new feature, if I just head over to YouTube and I go to YouTube and I just head to my channel, and I want to install YouTube and my channel as a PWA. I'm just going to go to the app shortcut button now, and here you can see it just says install, and that'll take a moment or two to install as a Progressive Web App in Edge Canary. And then of course I'm not going to get into this now, but I have posted videos on PWAs in the Edge browser if you'd like to go check those out. So I'm just going to go Don't Allow, and I'm going to minimize that Progressive Web App. And if we go back to the Apps button, here you can see now we have a couple of options where if we click on the three-dotted menu, you can head over to Manage Apps, which takes us to the Apps page now, which is a little bit different, which I have posted on previously to the stable version. And here is that option I mentioned in that previous video. Your available apps you install on one device will be shown here for you to install on other devices. And you can also show apps button in toolbar. You can disable the feature straight from the apps page. And if we just head back to that again, the apps button, and this time we click on there again, you can hide apps button from toolbar there as well. And you can also pin it as a side panel if that is something, is an option you would like. You can pin it to the side of your desktop in the browser. You can unpin it. And then if we go to some more options, you can have them in recently used order by name or install date. And then you can also list or grid view in that app shortcut drop down menu. So that's just another little feature that Microsoft is working on regarding apps, Progressive Web Apps in the Edge Canary version of the browser. And seen that they are giving this a lot of attention, the PWAs in the Edge Canary browser. I'm sure that this will make its way down to the dev beta and then in the future the stable channel of the Edge browser. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.